Hi friends, let me show you this new Plush Shaggy Duvet cover. It's a queen size unit. It's nice. I'm going to change this one. This is a nice blue one. It comes packed with this no air container. Let me show you. As you can see, it's a nice queen size. Okay. You get the pillow units, the pillowcases also. We are going to fill them up in a few minutes. And this is the zipper to put the duvet inside. So we're going to fill it up and show you how it looks. Great. We're ready to put our duvet inside of our duvet cover. And we have our pillows inside already. So, as you can see, it's a really nice one. It's a nice blue color. I like this blue color very much. And you can change your duvet cover if you need it, if you want a new one, different color or for any reason. This one is a great plush option. Thank you.